Hello everyone, I am Varuni Agrawal. I am the intern at the GRIP, the Sparks Foundation for the March 2021 batch, and this is my submission for the third task as a data science and the business analytics intern. So basically the required thing was to use the sample superstore database and create a dashboard or any kind of visualization using the different tools. So I have chosen Power BI desktop and I have created this dashboard. This is basically to allow the manager to see the different profits or the different parameters on which the profit is dependent and find out that how he can improve. So here I am showing the total sales, and out of those sales the total profit being made. Now I have used two pie charts. The first pie chart will show the profit by category. There are three categories: technology, office supplies and furniture. If I just select any one of these categories, just suppose I select technology, so I get the total sales of this category and the total profit of this category. The total technological sales done in the regions, in the different regions, is also highlighted here. And over here I am getting the data of the technology sales, here also the technology sales. So basically this is how you can use these different visualizations in the Power BI dashboard. The second is on the basis of region. So we can see that there are these different regions, and out of these regions this west region is giving us the most profit. This is the map of United States. We can just zoom in and out as well. Here there are different cities, and in the different cities we have the profit of different technologies. For example, in New York, technology is giving us the most profit, followed by office supplies and then furniture. Similarly, in North Dakota, all profit is coming from office supplies. So this is the state-wise representation of the profit. Then we have the clustered column chart, where we are getting the profit on the basis of the different categories, again like technology, office supplies and furniture, and they are categorized by region. So it is basically where we can see that which technology or which you can say thing is giving us the most profit, which category is giving us the most profit and how much. Here we can see the office supplies in the west is giving us the most profit out of all. Similarly, this is a line chart that is giving us the profit by the shipment mode. So we can say the most profit is when we are shipping the stuff through standard class, and the least profit is when we are using this same day mode of shipment. So that's all. Thanks.